While the absent promise of a cure may seem daunting, there are treatments being used to slow and manage the disease. Current treatments include disease-modifying therapies, known as DMTs, acute relapse treatment, comorbidity management, symptom control, psychological support, rehabilitative strategies, and lifestyle modifications, including diet and exercise. DMTs are an immunosuppressive option used to decrease the frequency of relapses and reduce short-term disability. The goal of all DMTs is to diminish neuroinflammation. DMTs are most successful in the relapsing-remitting form of MS. Once the disease has progressed to the secondary progressing MS, the DMTs are found to no longer be effective. This makes it incredibly important to begin a treatment regimen early on. Looking to the future, researchers continue to work on developing new treatments for MS. One of these is Bruton's tyrosine kinase (BTK) inhibitor, an emerging therapy that works by predominantly modulating immune cells in the CNS. Researchers are also looking at stem cell transplantation as a possible treatment. It is being investigated to see whether it can decrease inflammation in people with MS and help to reset the immune system. However, stem cell transplants are an incredibly intense and risky procedure. The chances of rejection and infection are high, and possible side effects include graft versus host disease. Lastly, researchers are also learning more about how existing DMTs work to lessen relapses and reduce MS-related lesions in the brain. Shining a light on this disease is incredibly important in funding and supporting the research being done on MS. Taking time to educate yourself on MS brings us one step closer to finding a cure. Although many of us will never truly understand the challenges of living with MS, we can join together to raise awareness. It is also important to remember that individuals diagnosed with MS can live long and fulfilling lives. If you would like more information about MS, look up the National Multiple Sclerosis Society website. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.